الاكسترنال جينيتاليا بتاعت الفيميل. هتفتحي؟
ايوه.
External genitalia of the female. External, this is the radius majors. And this layer is fatty. Inside it, I will find the clitoris, which represent the penis in the male. And from it, possibly, labius minor. Labius minor. And this is the vestibule here. Behind, immediately behind the clitoris, I'll find the urethral opening, the external urethral meatus of the female. And behind it, I'll find the vaginal orifice. And this vaginal orifice in virgin girth is scattered usually of the line here by the hymen, which contain a central room for the menstruation of the menstrual cycle. This is the external genitalia in the male. What's important for us? Number one, the most sensitive areas in the female is the clitoris and the radius minora. Number two, the opening of the external urethral meatus lies just behind, posterior to the clitoris, تقريبا 1 cm, 2 cm, cm ونص. لكن immediately behind. This is important because this is a sign how to catheterize the female by introducing a catheter to evacuate the bladder. On both sides of the urethra, this is the opening of the gland. It's called the bulb. مش البلب، the para-urethral gland. Para-urethral gland اللي احنا سميناها the female prostate. The opening بتاعتها. The opening on both sides of the urethra, it has the same function of the prostate in male, and it also called the female prostate. Deep to the posterior third of the radius major, here lies a gland. Deep to the posterior third of the radius major, I'll find a gland. And the gland is called Bartholin gland. Or they call the great vestibular gland. And the gland, it has an opening. It opens by an opening between the labia minora and the vagina. The great vestibular gland and the para-urethral gland, they secrete secretion during sexual intercourse. The importance of this Bartholin gland, that sometimes this duct is closed, is obliterated, and in fact make an abscess. It has an abscess called Bartholin abscess, which is common in female. Characteristic هذا البارثولين abscess الاقي ان البوستيريور third بتاع الليبيا ماجورا becomes swollen and red. This is the other one. The posterior third becomes swollen and red and edema, indicating Bartholin abscess. Sometimes the distal occlusion of this duct and forming Bartholin cyst. أبص على أيضا في expansion of the posterior third of the radius region, indicating a Bartholin cyst also. So this is the important thing concerning the external genitalia in the female. Nigga in male, organs. هبص الاقي اول حاجه التستس. زي ما انتم عارفين التستس في رايت تستس والليفت تستس at a lower level عن الرايت تستس because it descends first. وهنبص lateral لهذه التستس بلاقي الابيديدمس والابيديدمس has a head, a body and a tail. Posterolateral to the testis. Between it and the testis, this is the sinus of the epididymis. Both lies in the scrotum. And here in the external. This is the inguinal canal. This is the internal or deep inguinal ring. The superficial inguinal ring. The deep inguinal ring. With the inguinal canal. هبص الاقي البرصه بقت تحدث بيها من testicular artery which arises from the abdominal aorta and L2 and passes through the deep ring, passes through the inguinal canal, and passes through the external superficial ring to supply the testis and the testicular artery. Testicular artery passes inside the spermatic cord. The testicular vein on the right side, the right testicular vein passes also, but here it forms a plexus of veins. In the lower part in the scrotum, it forms a plexus of veins called Bambini. Bambini form. Plexus of vein. Or testicular plexus of vein. As it invades the head, it becomes two veins inside the inguinal canal. And at the deep ring, it becomes a testicular vein, which on the right side goes to the inferior vena cava, and on the left side it goes to the left renal vein. The malignant tumor sends its lymph node through this blood vessel to the para-aortic lymph node, and para-aortic lymph node lies at the level of L2, para-aortic lymph node. This is the lymphatic drainage of the testis. طيب كل الستراكشر دهيت موجوده جوه السبرماتيك كور. The descent of the testis. زي ما انتم عارفين عن descent abdomen. And this is the inguinal canal deep ring, inguinal canal superficial ring. The testis, like the ovary, develops in the lumbar region. And its lower core, it was attached to a ventromuscular band, which passes through the inguinal canal and is attached to the scrotum, the bottom of the scrotum. And this is called the gubernaculum. هذا الجوبرناكلم under testosterone hormone. عشان كده بيحصل ان التستس اللي هي undescended or cryptorchidate sometimes lead to testosterone hormone for its contraction of gubernaculum to descend. During descent, the testis usually reach the inguinal canal at the 7th month of intrauterine life. And it starts to end here at the end of the 8th month or the beginning of the 9th month. At the end of the 9th month, it becomes inside the scrotum. The end of the 9th month. The beginning of the 9th or the end of the 8th. This is usually the descent of. Sometimes there's an undescending arrest of the testis, and this is normal pathway, and this is called cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means natural descent of the testis, but it is regional pathway. The most common is the inguinal condition. الألم inguinal canal. I feel bulge in this inguinal canal عن البلج التاني. عن الinguinal canal التاني لو كان bilateral وحصل فيه bulge. ثانيا أحس testicular distance inside the inguinal canal. I feel it and it has a special feeling. Inguinal. It may be abdominal. It may be at the superficial inguinal ring. Superficial inguinal ring may be inguinal, may be abdominal. This is the common size of cryptorchidism. Whatever the size of it, this should be operated upon before 7th year and should descend into the scrotum before this 7 years old. Because after 7 years, the degenerative changes occur in the testis. There is another form of undescended testis, اللي هو mad descent. mad descent أبص على التستس نازلة مش بطريقة. أبص على في سوبرا بلوبي. ألاقي في الصار. ألاقي في البرينيوم. ألاقي في الانتيريور ابدومينال وول. ده اللي بيسموها mad descent. suprapubic, abdominal, at the thigh, the perineum, at the root of the penis. I can find it. All these are the side of clitoris. They are outside these scopes. Also, it should be operated upon and put in the scrotum before the 7th year. سواء كان ectopic أو clitoris أو multi-stem, I have to remove it and put it in the scrotum by operation because of two factors. Number one, the man-descended or clitoris are more liable for trauma. ممكن عرض التروما أكثر لأن البيشنت is not aware about it. Number two, it is a common site for malignancy. عشان كده it should be operated upon to put into the scrotum. If I operated upon patient and I found the testis in atrophy and degenerate, I have to remove it also, even degenerate, because for fear of the development of malignancy in this business. Another important thing is that this is the testis and this is the epididymis. And the testicular veins arise from the testis and the epididymis and form the form a plexus of veins which passes inside the spermatic cord and then it enters into the inguinal canal where it becomes only two veins and it leaves the deep ring as one vein, not testicular vein. I have right testis and I have left testis. Left testis usually at a lower level on the right. Also it has a vermiform and the form 2 and the same testicular vein, left testicular vein. Sometimes أبص ألاقي in adults ألاقي هذا الفيز دهيت becomes tortuous becomes dilated يعني حصل فيها varicosities tortuous ودايليتد النفخ وتكبر وابص الاقي السكروتم بتاع البيشنت. This is the right side of the scrotum, for example, and this is the left side of the scrotum. If it occurs on the left side here, which is more common on the right side, أبص ألاقي dilated, tortuous, veins of Balbiniform plexus. This is called varicocele, which is a very common condition HIV can be a factor in producing infertility because increased temperature of the system due to increased vascularity can hinder the formation of sperm. On looking to the scrotum, this is diagnostic. أبص ألاقي إن في السكروتم ده becomes more prolonged and more dependent على التاني. ثانيا, if I look to the wall of the scrotum, I'll find like worms. ألاقي فيه elevations like corpuscle. This is dilated but before the plexus of veins. This is called varicocele. هذا الفاريكوسيل is more common على الليفت سايد لأسباب كتيرة جدا مش مهمة، لكن أهم واحد فيهم إن الليفت testicular vein بيصب في الليفت renal vein which has a high pressure، لكن الرايت ده هو بيصب في الانفيريور vena cava which has a low pressure. عشان كده it's more common on the left side. ادي حاجه. ادي الفاريكوسيل دهيا لو العيان نام على ظهره ورفع السكروتم دوت لفوق it will empty. هبص الاقي الجدار راحت وكل حاجه راحت ليه؟ لان فضل الفين دخل في التستيكولار فين وراح للرينال فين. طيب لو انا لقيت عيان مثلا عنده 50 سنه او 40 سنه وجالي هذا العيان بيشتكي من dragging pain in the left side of the scrotum، وهذا كشفت عليه ابص الاقي ان الليفت سايد اوف سكول is more prolonged downward، hangs downward، it hangs downward، وفي I feel worm like structures in its wall. اعرف ان ده varicocele. لو هذا العيان قلت ايه وبعدين سالته امتى هتقول ده من شهر بس يعني ريسنت، انما التاني يقول لك ده بقاله سنتين ثلاثه اربعه ده من 5 سنين، انما ده اداكريس من شهرين وبعدين بروجريسيف يعني كل يوم هتدخل بيزيد كل يوم بتدخل يعني كام سكوت ده دلوقتي بقى هنا اهو دلوقتي سكوت بقى كده اهو كل بروجريسيف ايه ريسنت بروجريسيف left varicocele. I have to examine the left kidney because maybe the cause is carcinoma of the left kidney which obstruct the renal vein, and the obstruction of this renal vein will obstruct the left testicular vein, dilatation of the milliform and for left varicocele. Stop.